Let's move on to reading comprehension exercises, and we'll be discussing comprehension question answers. First question is, when does Chinese New Year start? Answer: Chinese New Year is based on lunar calendar. Lunar calendar is based on moon's phases, and moon's cycle is shorter than the sun's cycle. That's why Chinese New Year never starts from or falls on the same day, but typically falls between January 21st and February 20th. Question number 2 is, why do Chinese do thorough cleaning of their houses before New Year's Day? Answer to this question is, Chinese thoroughly clean their houses because they believe in this way they are preparing their houses for receiving good luck. At the same time, by cleaning and finishing the cleaning before New Year's Day, they make sure they clear out bad luck from the previous year. Moving on to third question, which color is not allowed and which color is encouraged on Chinese New Year and why? Answer to this question is, there are certain terms and conditions for wearing clothes. Chinese people are not allowed to wear black-colored clothes, and according to them, black color is associated with death. Wearing red-colored clothes are encouraged because according to them, red color wards off bad spirits. Question number 4 is, what do decorations on doors and windows symbolize? Answer: Chinese people hang up posters and signs on doors and windows with Chinese word Fu written on it. It means and it symbolizes luck and happiness, hence it is one of the traditions of celebrating Chinese New Year. Fifth question is, what is the significance of New Year's Eve dinner? Answer: on the eve of Chinese New Year, it is customary to visit relatives and share a large dinner where 8 to 9 specific symbolic dishes are made and served. The significance of this eve's dinner is that this is a family reunion dinner, and the quantity of dishes symbolizes prosperity and long-lasting. Sixth question, what do the little red envelopes filled with money symbolize? Answer to this question is, it is a traditional practice for adults or elders to give red envelopes to children and unmarried members of the family. It symbolizes wealth and prosperity for the coming year. Envelopes are not to be opened until the receiver has left the house of the giver. Seventh question, what is the importance of Chinese New Year for Chinese families? Chinese families celebrate Chinese New Year for bringing good luck for the coming year. Chinese people celebrate the New Year by practicing certain traditions which are all focused on bringing good luck, happiness, prosperity, and warding off bad spirits. Hence, the importance of Chinese Year is that it is celebrated to thank for the year that has passed and reinvigorate themselves for the coming year. We have come towards the second question of reading comprehension, and it is analysis of patterns of text organization. मतलब इसमें हमें ये देखना है कि यूनिट में कौन सी चीज़ पहले आ रही है और किस सीक्वेंस में आ रही है. So choose the correct option. First is Chinese New Year falls somewhere blank. First option is on January 21st. Second is on February 20th, and C is between January 21st and February 28th, and it is C option. Second is paragraph 1 gives dash. A is general details of festival, B is specific details of the Chinese New Year, C is general details of New Year celebrations, so it is B, specific details of the Chinese New Year. Third is, it is customary for families to thoroughly clean their houses, dash. A is before the first day of the new year, B is on the first day of the new year, C is on the second day of the new year. It is A, before the first day of the new year. Fourth is, hanging up signs and posters on doors and windows means dash. A is love and sincerity, B is care and affection, C is luck and happiness, and it is C option, luck and happiness. Fifth is, envelopes are not to be opened until dash. A is the giver has left the home of the recipient, B is the recipient has left the home of the giver, C is the giver has gone to sleep. So it is B option, the recipient has left the home of the giver.